ran be chol na tang chiru tange a chairman of IEC mani yene ya ngana janga ngau buwer were bi wong ni ekole be juer wong ku be dir be yoto apiat so be ngana janga ngau inja chol ku inja lor banang tang chiru tange.
The guest of honor of today's function, Honorable Michael McConville, the Minister of Information, Telecommunication and Postal Service, and who is also the Chairman of Greater Boer Community, the Chief Guest, David Manyonek, the Patron of the Day, Grang Mayom Nyok, Grang Mayom Dida, the special guest in his absentia, Dr. Rango Gordon Qualtier, the Chairman of our Boer Community, General Jomriak, the Chairman of Anyedi Community, the LG of BCYA Wal Agudwong Nichat, Madam Greb Anyet, she was the patron of the day during Boer Student Open Hair Campaign. I recognize your presence. Honorable Toro Majuk, the former chairperson of RRC in Jonglei, the chairman of Payam Youth Leaders in their absentia, the chairpersons of women, of Boer County Women, Madam Ayen Abat or Mama Ayen, Mading Achol, the outgoing chairman of Boer Student Association, Molana Abu, the chairman of the steering committee, the chairman elect, engineer to be Mamer Achop Alier, and all the other eminent personalities that are present in today's occasion. I recognize you, ladies and gentlemen. Molana Yak, the lawyer of today, who will swear the leadership. I recognize your presence. Tabanan bijam tongajeng. Kita kemot wakoi ko. Rince ancol ngana jangau. Ani ke chairman Independent Electoral Committee of Boer Student Association in Universities and High Institutes, Juba. First and foremost, I appreciate all the guests for honoring our invitation today. I also want to appreciate the General Assembly of Boer Student Association for carrying out a peaceful campaign of which results ke guchal achin violence tirot loy during the results declaration. We take Nabalo Jamdi today's occasion is meant for the inauguration of our student leadership. Enika Kurwanim today. This student leadership, last year, of which the two contestants, Ranchol Victor, to be Anthony Deng Chor, Kujalama Marachamalia, they were the contestant, Kabor student leadership. Based on their manifestos, but Mamera Chomalian can declare chairperson of Boer Student Association. So, Queen Mamir in Kacha walk to put one in today. Before I proceed ahead with my speech, I would appreciate some individuals and committees who have stood firm with me during the election process. My committee, a committee of 7 members, of which I am chair, Kujala Team Resource Mobilizing Committee, of which Aliad Jura Alier was the chair, ekoi ke akar bi bentwe bagaimana pan board that ekoi ke kanong ekoi ke loi election which is IEC team ku resource mobilizing committee ke ka koi ke work to ku this function today. So we koi ke resource mobilizing committee ko IEC, you can come forward. IEC Resource Mobilizing Committee. IEC, you guys have come, okay. These are the very people ke loi ilone ke ka election of Mr. Bor choy peaceful ke ka cho today's occasion here possible. So I want you to give these people 3 rounds of applause for carrying this out, this beautiful election and peaceful campaign. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. You can have a seat. Another team, Carbalate, I quite and supported individually. Quite anong quite and supported. Some people and support morally, financially. Quite and supported financially. Quite were loika kene. Which are acknowledged at your various capacities. I want also to give a special appreciation to Madinga Cholo, who is the outgoing chairman. The coach can work. So Mango Wajin Mading. I want also to appreciate my brother Denga Lear. Around Tomoko BCY, the coach can work. A glory. So my brother Deng Mang Wajin Denga Lear. Another team, Carbalage team or steering committee, Chiantas Balona Baloi, in steering committee, Incha Lay Chayan Yanigane, Bakari Migubor, Baloi. So you deserve a recognition. Wepanda, achin ke di balwel. Election of Mikabor, Chuloi, a peaceful, Kukadik, Manane Channel Well. We have followed all the process of a peaceful election. Kuyanika Gento, a pet. So I want to encourage you to keep that spirit, because Waka student, Waka very people are participating in community politics and also up to the national level. So spirit wa chaga loy akar baga motwen ku bubai bulat twen and to be married objectives of this association working Daman. But association you mean can book one work board student at various universities and high institutes. One of the objectives is that what to band together and go board student. What to ni or buit woven ran bunyi kay man board. Na chunyi kache uwa ben walitong wanang koirir kujala koinyo. But ajara ni obtilo yo kuke academic giant kwa kono anen kubi tong ben kajel go ben abija direct tong ran konyen. So one of the objective you work in this association abanang ko kuy work